This video will discuss the basics of using the script command line in VisualAnalysis. Let's get started. The script feature in VisualAnalysis is a powerful tool that uses a command line interface to create model objects, generate service cases, apply loads, extract results, and more. The script tool is accessed by clicking the script tab at the bottom of the Find tool. Since the input and output in the command line are always in the current unit style, the first thing we'll want to do is set the units in the program. We can add nodes to the model by entering the 2D or 3D location in the Add Node command. We can also define variables and perform math in the command line. Note, when storing a value in a variable, the line must end with a semicolon. Variables circumvent the need to input the same number over and over again. A semicolon can also be used at the end of the command to suppress the return value. For convenience, the up and down arrow keys on the keyboard can be used to auto-populate the command line with lines that were previously entered. There are a variety of ways to add members using the command line. We can select two nodes and then enter the Add Member command. Also, inside this command, we can specify the name of the start and end node. Note, when using the Specify option, the name of the items, nodes in this case, must be enclosed in quotes. Many of the commands can take a different number of parameters, and to learn more about a particular command, enter its name inside quotes into the help command. This launches the help file and takes us to that particular command so that we can see the various inputs it can receive, a description of what the command does, an example of how it is used, and an explanation of the example. For Add Members, we see there's an option to specify the name of the member start and end nodes, and the section and material for the member. We can use this command to create the center column of our structure. Note, if we do not know the exact section we want to use, the Pick Database Section command can be used to launch the Shape Database dialog box, allowing us to select the section from the database. The Pick Material command is used in a similar manner to choose the material from the database. In this case, we have used these two commands to define variables, which can then be used when adding the beams to the project. Several commands are available to support structure in VisualAnalysis. The Pin command can be used to add a pin support to a node, or the Support command can be used to set the various translation or rotation degrees of freedom to fixed or free using the true and false Boolean values respectively. Note, we can always switch back and forth between using the command line and driving the program in the traditional manner with the keyboard and mouse. Various commands are available to load structures in VA. We can select multiple loads to apply nodal loads in a specified direction in the current service case, or we can specify the service case and node and the magnitude of the load in each direction. Furthermore, service cases can be defined using the command line to specify the service case name and its load source. And even a nodal settlement can be defined in a service case with magnitudes in the specified global directions. In addition to applying nodal loads, we can use the command line to apply member loads. First, let's use the Select command to select the two beams. This command is especially useful in large models where it can be difficult to find or select members graphically. Since the Load Member command can take a number of different parameters, let's look it up in the help file. Looking through the list, we see an option where we can specify the start and end magnitude, along with the start and end offset, in a specified direction for the selected members. To load the selected beams, we can copy and paste this function from the help file into the command line and fill the values appropriately. The script command line can be used to extract analysis results. We can use the Max Displacement command to return the maximum displacement for a specified direction across all of the load cases. Also, we can use the Reaction command to return the reaction in a particular direction at a specified node, and use a Boolean value to return the maximum or minimum values across all load cases. Alternatively, we can specify the load case to return the result for that particular case. We can enter clear into the command line to clear the script and reset any stored variables. In this example, we've covered the command line basics and showed that it can be used to add nodes, members, supports, and loads, as well as extract results. See the help file for a complete list of the various script command categories, and select a category to see the associated commands. The help file also contains a written overview of the command line basics. In addition to using the built-in commands outlined in this video and the help file, any valid C# code can be used in the command line or in external scripts that are read into the program. See these other training videos for more information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.